Hey guys, and welcome to this Henna tutorial where we will explore the spirit of motivational interviewing expressed through henna. To me, the spirit of motivational interviewing is like an intricate henna design as it requires attention to details to facilitate change. We begin with a clean hand and you ask your customer who you are creating the design for what they would like to have as the design. Creating a henna design is a collaboration between your skills and expertise and the customer's vision of what type of design they would like to have. In other words, it is a partnership between yourself and your customer. This is similar to the spirit of MI, as change is not something that we do to a person or is done on a person. Instead, MI is something that is done together, an act of collaboration between experts. By initially seeking your client's vision of the henna design they desire, you are creating that collaborative partnership and setting a positive interpersonal atmosphere conducive to change. When doing henna, there are many different designs and pathways you can create, which is similar to the spirit of MI, as there are many different paths that a patient may take to reach their destination. For example, when looking at the sleeve design, it can represent support and the different aspects of a person. When looking at this, you can see how many different vines are stemming from one single main branch, representing support because the main branch is supporting all of the other smaller branches. In the case of MI, we must be that main branch and support all aspects of the person when facilitating change. Each small vine tends to flow in a different direction, and each one is unique. Just like the clients that we work with, all have a unique aspect that influences them. We can say that by supporting their absolute worth as a person, we display an unconditional positive regard and acceptance of the individual. Moreover, henna designs are like stories. Each design is unique and special to the client, and no one design is exactly the same as another. For example, doing a henna design for someone's wedding versus a henna design for a bridesmaid is completely different, and each design has a story behind it. This is just like the spirit of MI, as each person has their own unique battles. When doing henna, it is important to listen to your client's stories and engage in reflective listening, which is the path to build trust. Similar to the spirit of MI, we cannot tell clients what to do and how to go about their journey. Instead, we have to engage in reflective listening to learn more about them and then be able to assist in guiding them through the process of motivational interviewing, working with them to elicit behavior change. Moreover, you must also be compassionate and open to hearing your client's goals and beliefs, and be aware of your own values and beliefs and how they may interfere with the process of change. It is important when you're creating an intricate henna design to involve partnership between yourself and the client. Be compassionate and listen to what ideas your client has in mind in order to reach your end goal. When looking at the different designs you can create, you may notice that sometimes the designs are a bit more complex and therefore take longer to create, and sometimes the design is very simple and you can create it faster with more ease. This is similar to the spirit of MI, as sometimes the process of change is a bit more complicated and there are a lot more twists and turns, and sometimes the path is clearer. When doing henna, if you look at the simple flower pattern, you begin with one small dot and work your way around it to create an intricate design. Within the spirit of MI, we work with clients by using a strengths-based approach to uncover their goals and values and use those small details to evoke change from within them by eliciting change talk. By paying attention to what the client says and recognizing cues indicating there's a possibility for change, we must evoke and reinforce it to sustain and work towards the end goal. Therefore, the spirit of motivational interviewing is much like a henna design, as it requires attention to details, active listening to the client's vision for the design, and the arrangement of the specific and unique patterns which in the end form a distinctive interlacing design. Much like MI, when working in the clinical setting, we must create partnerships with our clients to form an atmosphere conducive to change, display acceptance and compassion to really understand where the ambivalence lies and what your client's goals and values are in order to evoke change from within them. That concludes the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.